Once you have submitted your intake form to your counselor, they will contact our staff at the MSU Food Processing and Innovation Center to begin the process authority review. Note that you will not be able to change your recipe after the PAR process is completed and a classification letter is issued. This means if your ingredients list fresh tomatoes, you'll not be able to switch to canned tomatoes without going through the PAR process again. You will be asked via email from the MSU Product Center's business manager to pay a $125 fee to get started with the PAR testing process. You will be sent a payment link to pay online. We will communicate with you via email about any corrections to the form. Remember to check all your folders of your email to make sure that you aren't missing any messages from MSU Product Center team members. Once we receive payment, our staff will review your recipe and will determine your product sample steps. All Process Authority review products must submit 2 types of samples, a full sample of your product and a partial sample. A full sample is at least 12 ounces of your product as you will make it. It does not have to be in your final selling container, but it can be. We want you to use your batch recipe when making this sample. All of your samples need to be labeled with your name, your business name, the name of the product, the date it was made, and if it is a full or partial sample. Your full and partial samples should be made at the same time. We should be testing your full and partial samples in the same week that it was made. Your partial sample should only contain the listed ingredients in the email that you receive from the MSU Product Center. These ingredients should be proportionally identical to the full recipe. If you have any questions about this, please contact your MSU Product Center counselor. Always inform your counselor when you have mailed samples and when we can expect them. Samples need to be mailed to the MSU Food Processing and Innovation Center. Call the Food Processing and Innovation Center and set up an appointment if you would like to deliver the samples in person. Reminder, we do not accept samples on the weekends.